Okay, so to create your trading account, the first thing you want to do is to click this link right here. So once you click this link, it's going to take you to the Exness website. And please, before you want to click the link, make sure that you don't have a VPN on that is changing your location to maybe the US or the UK, or a country that this broker does not function in. Or if you have the Starlink connection that changes your location, just try to remove it and use your normal data and use your present location. So right here now you have to click register. Once you click register, all you need to do is to select your country, right? You select your country. For me, I'll select Cameroon. You put your email, right? Then you put your password, right? Then you take create. Once you take create, now your account is going to be created. Now immediately your account has been created, you're going to see choose a trading account. Do you want to create a demo account or you want to create a real account, right? So you can create both demo and real account at the same time. But first, since you are just starting, since we are just practicing, we want to create a demo account. If your account gets you to this location, now you're going to see that we have a trading platform here. This is the Exness trading platform. So you want to go directly to your back office. So you click right here on the edge here. You come to Exness products, then you go to personal area. So since I already created my account, I'll just put my email, then I want to put my password now, then I'll take sign in. So see that I am signing to my account. This is the fresh new account which I created, right? So now I am signing to my account. What do I want to do first? I want to complete profile. So you click complete profile. On complete profile now, you can do it later or get started. So you just let's say get started now. Get started now. You are just going to see you receive the code to your email. Once you see the code to your email, you put the code right here. You put your phone number, confirm your phone number, then you go ahead to put all your information, go through your verification process. The steps are very simple, right? So in case you are going through this process and you have any difficulty, remember the support team is there to assist you. Remember, you can always write it down and ask during the question and answer session. Once I'm done completing the profile, what next? This is our back office. In this back office, this is where you deposit, right? This is your trading account. You can click to trading account. You're going to see that we have a trading account here. We have a real trading account. We have a demo, right? So you see that that's a demo account we created, and we also have real account right here. So for this real account, there's nothing in it, and for the demo account, we have a $10,000 funded in it to practice with. So now, if you want to create a new account, right? If you want to create a new account, MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5 account, you come right here. You are going to see new account. For those who are using Android, you are always going to see something, so the same icon around your back office saying new, or it might just be a plus sign, right? It might just be a plus sign. So once you take that now, it's going to bring you here. You create a standard account, you take continue. Now here is very important. Right here you see that we have demo and we have real account. So do I want to create a demo account or do I want to create a real account? You simply choose. If you want to create a real account, though you already have another real account and you already have another demo account, you can create as many accounts as possible. So now I want to create a demo account, and on the second demo account I want to put an account balance that I'll be able to fund when I start trading. So I want to be practicing with an account balance that I'll be able to fund when I start trading. So this account now, for the leverage, you can choose any leverage. You see, using Exness, we have 1:2,000 and we have 1:2 unlimited. So you can choose any of the leverage you like. Then you come now to account balance. I want to keep my account balance at $500 because this is the amount that I feel like, okay, I will be able to fund when I start trading live. So I want to practice with this account balance. Then you come to currencies. Which currencies do you want your account balance to be on? I prefer you keep it on United States dollars, but you can try to change it to any currency you want, but I prefer the United States dollars, right? Then now you come now, password. Now this password you are creating here, remember we had already created a different password when we were creating our Exness account. Now we are trying to create our trading account as a trading platform, right? So this password you're putting here is the password you will need when you want to log into your trading platform. That's going to be MetaTrader 5, right? So right here I want to put a password that I will use to log into my MetaTrader 5. So I'm going to put my password. So I've actually put my password right there. So to confirm again, it is a demo account I am creating. The leverage is 1:2000. The account balance is 500. Standard account, and I put my password, and I take create. Now I have created a new account. You see your account has been your account is being prepared, right? Now you see that I used to have just one demo account here. Now I have two. This is a new account I just created. Same go for live account. If you have this live account and you want to create another live account, let's say you want to create an account where it's your main portfolio, where you keep you trade and scale up. Then you want to create another account where maybe you just trade and withdraw to maybe use for daily expenditures, or you want to create an account which you're going to be trading that account to use for paying maybe just your rent or daily expenditures and stuff like that. You can create another account. Just come to create new, right? Create new, continue, and you come now to real account. So now instead of demo, you'll be creating a real account. That's just the difference. Once you choose that, you just click continue, put your password, and you create your account. So let's come back here. And again, one thing, when you click on create new account, you see that we have the different trading platforms right here. So before you want to continue from here, you're going to see that we have MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5. But you see that even the broker is recommending MetaTrader 5 because it is the updated version of MetaTrader 4. So you choose MetaTrader 5, then you go ahead, continue. Then you choose if you are creating a demo or a real account, then you create. Now, once you have created that account, like the way we have created our accounts here, the next thing you want to do now is you want to link this account to your MetaTrader 5. You want to link this account to your MetaTrader 5, right? Now let's go ahead linking this account to MetaTrader 5. How do we do it?